Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix Moto Edge 50 Fusion speaker crackling sounds. So I have a 2025 solutions for you guys. Let's start with the first one. The most obvious solution for me is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix minor software glitches. Hold the power button and select restart. Now if the problem still persists, go for check number 2, check for software updates. Outdated software can cause audio bugs, so go to Settings, System, and then Software Update. Install for any updates. Now, moving forward, you can also clear your cache partitions. So, power off your phone, press and hold the volume down plus power buttons until the bootloader screen appears. So, it's just like going to BIOS on your computer. So once you're here, use the volume buttons to navigate to recovery mode and press power. So the volume buttons are the navigations and the power is the enter. So once you see the Android logo, press the hold the power and press volume up once only. Use select wipe cache partitions or partitions using volume buttons and confirm with power. Now if the problem still persists, disable Dolby Atmos temporarily. I know Dolby Atmos is a good one, but for now disable it. So sometimes sound enhancement can cause distortions. So go to Settings, Sounds Dolby Atmos, and toggle it off to test audio quality if still is the same. Now test in safe mode. Press and hold the power button, tap and hold power off the screen, and select OK. Now when prompted to reboot into safe mode, check the speaker's sound in safe mode. Sometimes there is gonna be a little tweak if you're in safe mode. And next one, inspect for water or dust. So make sure there is no water or dust on your speaker. Sometimes there are lint inside it. So make sure there's no water, dust, or debris in the speaker. Alright, gently clean it off with a soft brush, or you can use a compressed air. Or sometimes I just blow it in my mouth. Alright? So reset sound settings. So navigate settings, sounds, advanced, reset sound preferences to restore default configurations. Again, that will be settings, sounds, advanced, reset sound preferences to restore for default settings or configurations. Now, factory reset, this is actually the last resort. If none of the above mentioned kindly works, so back up first your data. Next up, you can go to settings, system, and then reset, and then go for factory data reset. Now, just follow the prompts in there. Only do this if the issue still persists after everything I've mentioned, alright? Now let's just say after everything, even though after factory reset still persists, contact Motorola support. If the crackling sound continues, it may be a harder issue and look for a warranty promo. Alright? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.